Who chose your outfit? Your dress is very nice. Kinsa nagpili? Who chose that for you? Mommy or daddy?
Mommy.
Mommy? Where is mommy? Where is mommy? That's mommy. Ayan, mommy. Is pink your favorite color or no? Do you love pink? Yes, obviously you love pink. Are you gonna sing or dance?
Sing.
Sing. So you'll be leaving this microphone, okay? So are you ready? Yes, you're ready?
Yes.
Yes, naman. So let's give it up for contestant number 11.
I love you, Lord, for your mercy never failed me, and all my days I've been held in your hand. For the moment that I wait.